Creating a container in Docker is a fundamental step in using containerization technology. Here's a concise guide. Install Docker. Ensure Docker is installed on your system. You can download and install Docker Desktop or Docker Engine from the official Docker website. Launch Docker. Start the Docker application on your computer. Pull a Docker image. Containers are created from Docker images. Use the docker pull command to download an image from the Docker Hub or another registry. For example, docker pull Ubuntu fetches the official Ubuntu image. Run a container. To create and run a container from an image, use the docker run command. For instance, docker run -it Ubuntu starts an interactive Ubuntu container. Interact with the container. Once the container is running, you can interact with it in the command line. You will have access to the shell of the container and you can install software, run scripts, or perform tasks. Customize containers. You can customize containers by installing additional software, configuring settings, and making changes as needed for your application. Commit changes. After customizing a container, you can save your changes by committing them to a new image using docker commit. This allows you to reuse your customized image. Stop and remove containers. When you're done with a container, use docker stop to halt it and docker rm to remove it. Clean up unused containers periodically. Manage containers. Docker provides commands like docker ps to list running containers, docker logs to view container logs, and docker exec to execute commands within a running container.